Hello everyone, Jesse Webb, TradersPro. Current market conditions building some bullish momentum, looking pretty strong here. Yesterday's move, we gapped lower. S&P rallied all day. Microsoft gapped lower and rallied all day to the upside. So we're seeing some. That's a pretty constructive day in addition to what the market is doing currently as well. So let's talk a little bit about that. Momentum is back up to a bullish trend. Breadth also bullish trend, and sentiment bullish trend. The upper range of that bullish trend. The current sentiment, we're right in this level, haven't reached a real peak yet, but working towards that direction. Same with buy-sell ratio. So everything's fairly, solid here in this bullish uptrend, and keep an eye on that. If anything reverses sharply, the question has been: has this been a counter trend, a bear market rally, or are we actually, setting the stage for something longer term and a potential longer term bottom in the market? Obviously 2020 hindsight is going to tell us that, but as we're working along and churning through this process, we want to be able to take advantage of as many clues as we possibly can. So as it stands right now, this is our bias meaning what direction should we be focusing on, and that is to the upside. We've got more buys than sells in the database, and the market trend is participating in that same idea, which SPY is what I prefer to look at, which is the ETF for the S&P 500, and we're a couple of bullish days now. Is sitting right here. Still this long-term downtrend. That's going to correspond to that other indicator in terms of bear market. S&P 500 essentially is the market. So if this turns, and when this turns to up, then we will definitely have already moved significantly higher, because that's a pretty long-term lagging indicator. But as of now, we're paying attention to a potential new higher high. Once you get these ranges, a new low, a little higher high, and that's what creates trends. We're dealing with this trend line here as well. So that's that's where we're at right now. Are we going to break to this side, or are we going to kind of find some resistance here and break to the downside? Today could be an interesting confirmation day. If we get, you can see where S&P opened here yesterday, and then, which was significantly lower than this day, and then rallied to actually have a pretty nice day. Futures are up 15-20 this morning, so we should see at least a little gap higher and some continuation there. The overall sectors, the place to be focusing on, one of the areas are still basic materials and oil and energy. These are still going to be trending higher. Oil and energy is taking a little pause, but basic material is going to include a little bit larger sector. A few more things that are included in there: gold and steel. And so keep your eyes on some of these stocks. You've got some real big names. Steel actually right here is looking the best. I really like when a pattern looks like this, when you have this downturn, this rally, this support level, and then a confirmation bar like that. That's traditionally, in technical analysis, that's referred to as a cup and a handle pattern, where you get that uptrend, counter trend, and then a rally, and then another counter trend, where you create that possible breakout location. And so that pattern is setting up right here as well on this particular chart, in addition to having that nice uptrend and some possible breakout range. So keep your eye on basic material and steel today and throughout the remainder of this week. If you don't have full access to the site, you can sign up with the link below, and we look forward to having you. Have a great day today.